Hello, everyone. Today, I'd like to introduce our recent research work. In recent months, there has been increasing interest in multi-agent systems based on large language models. In these systems, multiple agents collaborate to solve complex tasks that are difficult for a single agent to handle. In this study, we focus on the issue of consensus among agents based on large language models. The question is whether multiple agents, with initially different opinions, can reach a consensus through negotiation. This problem is fundamental in collective decision-making and has wide-ranging and important applications. Specifically, our experiments consider multiple agents placed on a one-dimensional line with different initial states, aiming to reach a consensus state. In each negotiation round, agents reason based on the states of other agents and update their own states accordingly. This process continues until the experiment concludes. Based on this experimental process, we made several interesting discoveries. Firstly, we observed which strategy the intelligent agents tend to choose for consensus. We found that the most common strategy employed by the agents is the average strategy, where they take the average value of states of all agents as their own next state. Occasionally, the agents might choose other strategies. For instance, there's the suggestible strategy where an agent selects the states of other agents as its target state. However, adopting this strategy might lead to oscillations in the system. Additionally, the agents might choose other strategies as well, as detailed in the paper. We conducted Monte Carlo simulations to study the characteristics of the final convergence values. We found that as the number of agents increases, the variance of the aggregated values decreases, and the mean gradually approaches the initial mean. This suggests that increasing the number of agents can mitigate randomness or hallucination to some extent. Next, we investigated how the personalities of the agents affect the negotiation process. As shown in the figure, if Agent 1 is stubborn and Agent 2 is suggestible, Agent 2 will converge towards Agent 1. If both agents are suggestible, their states will exhibit oscillations without convergence. If both agents are stubborn, they might maintain their own states, failing to achieve convergence. We also studied the impact of communication topologies on the aggregation behavior of multiple intelligent agents. If three agents are fully connected, they will converge at a rapid rate. If they are not fully connected, they can still converge, but the convergence speed will be slower. Furthermore, we explored other network topologies, as described in the paper. Finally, we applied these findings to the task of multi-robot cooperative aggregation, where each agent corresponds to a mobile robot. These robots need to converge from different starting positions to the same location on a two-dimensional plane. The system architecture is illustrated in the diagram, where each robot is equipped with a large language model planner and a controller. The planner outputs the target position for each robot based on the current states of all robots. Subsequently, the controller generates corresponding control commands based on the target positions provided by the planner. The trajectories of the robots are shown in the above figure. It can be observed that robots starting from different initial positions eventually converge to the same location. The planned positions and actual positions of each robot are depicted in the figure below. It is worth noting that the task of multi-robot aggregation can also be achieved using traditional collaborative control methods. However, our work demonstrates that similar collaborative tasks can be accomplished directly using simple natural language instructions, through a large language model, eliminating the need for complex design processes, enhancing system autonomy, and showcasing promising applications. Thank you for your attention. For more details about this work, please visit our paper's website. For further intriguing research, please stay tuned to the Intelligent Unmanned Systems Laboratory at Westlake University.